Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video we discussed about the Poisson distribution of unit 2. In this video we will discuss about normal distribution. In the normal distribution, the median value and mean value and mode value 3 are equal, that is median equals to mean equals to mode. Here z equals to x minus mu by sigma, where the mu value mean is given in the question and the standard deviation value sigma is also given in the question. To solve the problem related to the normal distribution concept, we have to know the formulas are: the first formula is probability of z1 less than z less than z2 equals to argument of z2 minus argument of z1. Here, if both z1 or z2 are positive or negative, this formula we will use. Here, positive means the value is greater than 0 and negative means the value of z1 and z2 are less than 0. The second formula is p of z1 less than z2 equals to argument of z2 plus argument of z1. Here, this formula is used when the z1 value is less than 0 and z2 value is greater than 0. That means z1 is negative and z2 is positive. The third formula is probability of z less than z1 equals to 0.5 plus argument of z1 when the condition of z1 that the value of z1 is greater than 0. The fourth one is probability of z less than z1 equals to 0.5 minus argument of z1 when the value of z1 less than 0. And fifth one is p of z greater than z1 equals to 0.5 minus argument of z1 when the value of z1 is greater than 0. And the probability of z greater than z1 equals to, we use the formula 0.5 plus argument of z1 when the value of z1 is less than 0. These are the 6 formulas which are mostly used to solve the problem related to the normal distribution concept. We have to remember that the z equals to x minus mu by sigma value, and here the mean and sigma value is already given in the question. Let us do some problems or examples for better understanding of normal distribution. Let us consider an example problem. Here given that question is for normal distribution variate mean is 1 and the standard deviation is 3. We have to find here the first one is probability of p of 3.43 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 6.19. The second one we have to find is probability of 2.43 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 4.20. And third one we have to solve the is probability of x greater than or equals to 7. Let us start the problem. Here given that mean mu equals to, mean is indicated by mu equals to 1 and standard deviation sigma equals to 3. Here we have to find the first one is probability of 2.43 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 4.20. Here we know that z equals to x minus mu by sigma. By applying this to this problem condition, we get 2.43 minus mu value is 1 and the sigma value is 3 less than or equals to x minus mu by sigma less than or equals to 4.20 minus 1 by 3. Here p of 2.43 minus 1 means 1.43 by 3 less than or equals to, here x minus mu by sigma means value is z. So here we replace this with z less than or equals to, here 4.20 minus 1 means 3.20 by 3. Here p of 1.43 by 3 we get the value is 0.47. By substituting in cashew and calculating, we get this value is 4.47, 0.47 less than or equals to z less than or equals to. By substituting this in the cashew, that is 3.20 by 3, we get the value is 1.06. This is in the form of P of Z1 less than Z2. Here the Z1 value is positive and the Z2 value also positive. That is, the P of Z1 less than Z2 equals to Z1 comma Z2 both are positive. We get the formula is argument of Z2 plus argument of Z2 minus argument of Z1. In the place of Z2, the value of Z2 is what? Here 1.06 minus argument of Z1 value is we have 0.47. So this argument of 1.06 value we get by using the Z distribution table. That is, this is the Z distribution table. Here the 1.06 value can be written as 1 plus 0.06. We get 1.06. So this one value is, we see this in row column, and the 0.06 value we see in the column wise. Again I am repeating that the one value is, we are seeing the starting value 1 is in row wise, this is in this row, and the 0.06 value we will see in the column wise. This row and column wise where the indirect value is, that is the value of this answer. Here we have 1 plus 0.06. So see, here the 1 is here and we have to see 0.06. 1 is here and the 0.06 is here. That means the value for argument of 1.06 is 1 plus 0.06, means we have 0.3554 minus here argument of 0.47 means we can write this like this, 0.4 plus 0.07. If we add these two values, we get 0.047. So the 0.47 value we see in the row wise column, and the 0.07 value we see in the column wise column. That is, it will be see here row wise and it is see here column wise. Let us check the value of argument of 0.47. Here 0.4 we will see here, that is, this is the 0.4 and we have to see 0.07, that is, this is the 0.7. The value of 0.4 and 0.07 is interacted value is 0.1808. So the argument of 0.47 value is 0.1808. By calculating 0.355 minus 0.1808, we get the value is, we get 0.1746. This is the value for P of 2.43 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 4.20. The value for this is 0.1746. The second one is, we have to calculate the P of 3.43 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 6.19. We know that z equals to x minus mu by sigma. Here P of 3.43 minus, here mu value is 1 and the sigma value is 3, less than or equals to x minus mu by sigma less than or equals to, here 6.19, here mu value is minus 1 by sigma value is 3. By minusing 1 from 3.43, we get the value is 2.43 by 3 less than or equals to x minus mu by sigma value is z less than or equals to 6.19 minus 1 is 5.19 by 3. Here by calculating in the cash flow, that is 2.43 by 3, we get the value is value is 0.81 less than or equals to z less than or equals to 5.19 by 3 is substituting in the Casio, we get this value is 1.73. This is in the form of P of Z1 less than Z2. Here same, here Z1 value is positive and Z2 value also positive. So when P of Z1 less than Z2 less than Z2 we get, and the Z1 and Z2 both values are positive, we have the formula A of Z2 minus A of Z1. Here A of Z2 value is 1.43 minus A of Z1 value is 0.81. We know that here the argument of 1.43 minus argument of 0.81. Here 1.43 we can written as 1.7 plus 0.03. We get value is 1.73. This here this 1.7 value we see in row wise, and 0.03 we see column wise. So here 1.7 means here you can see here 1.7 means this, and the 0.03 means here, that is 1.7 and 0.03. We get the intersector value is for 1.73 is 0.4582 minus argument, it will can be written as 0.8 plus 0.01. The 0.8 we can see this row wise and 0.01 we see in column wise. Here 0.8 is here and the 0.01 is here. The intersect value is 0.2910. So the value for argument of 0.81 is 0.2910. By minusing this value from minusing 0.4582 value from this, minusing this value, we get the value is 0.1672. This is the value for P of 3.43 less than or equals to Z less than or equals to X less than or equals to 6.19. The value for this is 0.16. The third one is we have to find P of X greater than or equals to 7. Here we know that P of X minus mu by sigma greater than or equals to 7 minus mu value is 1 and sigma value is 3. We get P of, this is in this place we replace Z, and greater than or equals to 7 minus 1 means 6. 6 by 3 means 2. Here it is in the form of Z greater than Z1 and the Z1 value is greater than 0. Then we have the formula is 0.5 minus argument of Z1. Here 0.5 minus argument of Z1 value is 2. So the argument of Z, we can write this argument of 2 like this way: 2 plus 0.00, we get 2.00. This value we will see in row wise, and the 0 value is we see in column wise. You can see here the 2 value is here and the 0 value is here. The 2 and 0 value intersecting value is 0.772. In this argument of 2 plus we write 0.5 minus, in this place we write the value of argument of 2, that is 0.4772. By minusing this value from 0.5 we get the value is 0.0228. So this is the value, the 0.0228 is the value for P of X greater than or equals to 7. By using the truth table, and using these formulas, 6 formulas, we find out the all probability values of this given question. Let us do another example for easy understanding. Here the given question is: in normal distribution 7% items are under 35. and the 89% items are under 63. Here we have to find the mean value, that is mu, and the variance value, that is sigma square. Let us start the problem. Here given that 7% items are under 35, that means P of x less than 35. That means here we take less than because here given that's under 35. So P of x less than 35 equals to 7%. Here P of x minus mu by sigma less than 35 minus mu by sigma equals to 7 by 100. Here we write 7 by 100 because here given the percentage. So whenever the percentage symbol is given, we have to divide it by the value with 100. Here x minus mu by sigma means we know that this is the value for z. So in this place we replace z less than 35 minus mu by sigma equals to 7 by 100. We get here 0.07. Here this is in the form of P of z less than z1 and z1 is greater than 0. We get the formula is 0.5 minus a of z1. You can see this condition and write this formula by using the given formulas. Here 0.5 minus argument of z1 value, what we have, z1 value 35 minus mu by sigma equals to which value, this value, that is 0.07. Here minus a of 35 minus mu by sigma equals to 0.07 minus 0.5. This is transferring to left side. Here I have plus. By transferring it this side, this is going to be minus. That is minus a of 35 minus mu by sigma equals to 0.07 minus 0.05 means that is minus 0.43. Here minus is get cancelled, and by removing this argument we see this value in z distribution table in middle values. This value is going to be seen in the middle. By seeing this where the value starting, this value starting in the middle, we get that the row wise and column wise elements. Here the 0.43 value is seen in this middle. Here the starting 0.43 value where we have starting, here we can see that here the 0.43, that is the value here, starting value is here 0.8 plus 1.4, that is 1.4 plus 0.08. we get here a of 35 minus mu by sigma equals to, in this place we substitute this value, that is 1.48. here 35 minus mu equals to, by transferring this side we get 1.48 sigma, that is 35 minus mu equals to 1.48 sigma. It is the equation 1. Let us take second condition, that is 89% items are under 63, that is P of x less than 63, because here under 63 equals to how many items, 89% item, that is 89%. P of x minus mu by sigma less than 63 minus mu by sigma equals to 89 by 100. Here 100 came for percentage symbol. Here P of x minus mu by sigma means z less than 63 minus mu by sigma equals to 0.89. 89 by 100 means 0.89. It is in the form of P of z less than z1 and z is greater than 0. We have the formula is 0.5 minus a of z1. Here 0.5 minus a of z1 value, what we have, 63 minus mu by sigma equals to 0.89. Here a of 63 minus mu by sigma equals to 0.89 minus 0.5. We get a of 63 minus mu by sigma equals to 0.89 minus 0.5. We get 0.39. Here for removing the argument value, we see this value in the middle. We see 0.039 value in the middle of the distribution table, that is where the 0.39 value started. In this table, the 0.39 value is starting here. You can see here the 0.39 value is starting here, that is here for 1.2 plus 0.03. That is, by adding this to 1.2 plus 0.03, we get 1.23. So 63 minus mu by sigma equals to, in this place we write this value, that is 1.23. By substituting this sigma here left side, we get 63 minus mu equals to 1.23 sigma, that is, it is the equation 2. By solving equation 1 and equation 2, we get the equation 1 is what here? The equation 1 is this, that is 35 minus mu equals to 1.48 sigma, and the equation 2 is this one, that is 63 minus mu equals to 1.23 sigma. Here minus plus minus, it is gets these two mu values are get cancelled. Here 35 here by minusing 35 minus 63, we get minus 28 and equals to we get here minus 2.78. Here minus cancel sigma. Here sigma equals to 28 by 2.71. We get sigma equals to 28 by 2.71. We get sigma equals to 10.33. Here it is sigma means it is standard deviation. Here asking in the question, asking here that variance value, that is sigma square. Yes, given standard deviation sigma square means 10.33 whole square, that is we get sigma square variance sigma square equals to 10.33 whole square means 106.75. The sigma variance value sigma square equals to 106. Yes, variance sigma square equals to 106.75. Here we have to ask to find out the mean value. To find out the mean value, we have to substitute this sigma value in any two of the equation. That is, take the 35 minus mu equals to 1.48 sigma. 35 minus mu equals to 1.48 into minus 1.48. In this sigma place, we have to substitute the sigma value, that is 10.33. Here 35 minus mu equals to minus 1.48 minus 1.48 into 10.33 value is minus 15.28. Here minus mu equals to minus 15.28 minus 35. We get minus mu equals to minus 15.33. That is, here minus cancel. We get the mean mu equals to 50.33. So here we find out the mean mu equals to 50.33 value and variance sigma square equals to 106.75. Hope you love the video, guys. Like, share, comment, subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified every update from my Smart Studies YouTube channel. Thank you, guys. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you people like the video. Keep supporting me by subscribing the YouTube channel and like, share, comment and click the bell icon to be notified every update from my Smart Studies YouTube channel. Thank you, guys.